welcome. In this video, we'll learn to create a large web file by merging several BIP files. This could be very useful in the case when you have already created multiple BIP files for your different articles. And in the last, you want to merge all the BIP files for your report or thesis writing. While merging the BIP files, you may face the problem of several duplicate entries. In this video, we'll resolve such issues. Here I have two LaTeX documents, doc1 and doc2. Each document contains one text file and one BIP file. I want to create a single BIP file by merging these two BIP files for the report. Now I'll open all the text and BIP files in Text Studio. Text and BIP files for article 1, article 2 and report. First, I'll place the main content of article 1 and article 2 into report. In the next, we'll merge the BIP files. For report, I'll create one BIP file with the name of my BIP. Now just copy all the references from first BIP file. Similarly from second BIP file. Let's see bibliography. As can be seen here that this reference is coming twice. Only year is differentiated by alphabetically. Similarly this one is also coming twice. Let us check bibliography report. Just compile the bibliography and check the messages. There are 3 error messages. It's showing 3 duplicate entries in which everything will be same. We can manually delete the duplicate entries, but if you have a large BIP file, then it would be difficult to do manually. Now for better understanding, I will keep all the exactly same or similar references at one place so that we can see which one is coming properly and which one is not. This reference has been used twice. I'll put this one at this place. Similarly, I'll do for others and will be back once it will be done. These two are exactly same. If BIP keys and all entries are exactly same, then it will print only once. There is no problem. And similarly these two as well. Likewise, these two references are also same, but BIP keys are different. This can be possible. For example, first one you would have exported for your first article from Mendeley, and second one you would have exported directly from the journal website. In that case, both BIP keys could be different. In such case, each reference is printed. So ultimately, we'll have to keep only one BIP data, and others we'll have to remove either by manually or we can use some software. Similarly, these two references are also same. Only BIP keys are different. So this one also will be printed twice. In these two references, BIP entries are different and BIP keys are same. In such situation, only first reference is printed. As we can see here, second one is not coming. If I'll write second reference first, then it will be printed. Now we'll try to resolve the issues related to this merged BIP file. Just go to your working directory and open the BIP file in JabRef. Go to quality, then find duplicates, then click at automatically remove exact duplicates. All exactly same BibTeX data have been removed. This one is not automatically removed because everything is not same. Here BIP keys are different, so it is giving some options. We can keep left or right, or we can keep both. We can merge. I want to keep right one. These two references are also same except BIP keys. I want to keep right one. Now almost all issues have been resolved except the case when BIP keys are same but BIP entries are different. This we have to do manually. We have to change the name of BIP key. Just click twice, generate BibTeX key. According to that, we have to change the citation in the main content. We'll have to use this new BIP key. For citation, just go to the particular reference and then click at tag. And also we have to do manual citation for those which we have removed. The cases in which we found exactly same BIP entries but different BIP keys. Similarly this one as well. In the last, just save the library. Now just check the BibTeX report. There is no error and warning. All references are coming properly. In this way we can resolve the issue related to merged BIP file. That's all. Thanks for watching.